In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable removing permissions from unused sites on the Brave web browser. So for sites you haven't gone on very regularly, if you want to just as a safety precaution remove permissions that you might have given it specifically within the Brave browser, like for image display or JavaScript or whatever else, or maybe camera access. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to modify those settings. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Brave browser, select the hamburger icon at the top right to open up the settings menu, and then select settings at the bottom of the list. On the left side, select privacy and security, and then underneath privacy and security, select site and shield settings. And then scrolling down underneath content, select where it says automatically remove permissions from unused sites. To protect your data, let Brave remove permissions from sites you haven't visited recently. Doesn't stop notifications. So if you want to prevent it from removing permissions from unused sites, you would toggle to the left to gray it out. Conversely, if you wanted to automatically remove permissions from unused sites, you'd want to make sure this is turned on and toggled to the right, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.